Today, we're addressing a topic that every homeowner should be well informed about, which is the top 3 common sources of water damage in homes. At Rocky Mountain Restoration, our years of experience have taught us the ins and outs of safeguarding your home against water-related disasters, making us the experts you can trust. So if you want to protect your investment and avoid the potential headaches, stick around as we reveal the leading culprits behind water damage and how to prevent them. Our roofs bear the brunt of the elements, from heavy rain to debris. Over time, these can lead to wear and tear, and the first culprit on our list is leaking roofs. Often these leaks are due to damaged or missing shingles, or even a buildup of that debris in the gutters. If left unchecked, this can lead to significant damage in your attic, ceilings, and walls. Pro tip, regularly inspect your roof. Just give it a visual inspection and make sure to clean the gutters. Think of the appliances we use daily: washing machines, dishwashers, and refrigerators. These can spring leaks and have malfunctioning connections. Furthermore, our homes have a maze of pipes hidden behind walls and under floors. Any breach here, whether it's a burst pipe or a slow leak, can result in significant damage. So what's the solution? Stay proactive. Regularly check your appliances, watch out for skyrocketing water bills, and consider a plumbing inspection every couple of years. Cracks in the foundation of your home can allow water to seep in, leading to structural damage. Be vigilant here. That's the solution. Ensure proper grading around your home. Regularly inspect and maintain your sump pump, and seal any foundation cracks that you might find. So there you have it, the top 3 common culprits of water damage in homes. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Staying proactive can save you a lot of time, money, and stress down the road. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more home care tips. Until next time, keep your home safe and dry. Rocky Mountain Restoration is here to help anytime, any day.